Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys this updated guide that you can use to scan QR codes in Clash Royale. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to open up your internet browser, and now you just have to search for google.com on your internet browser, and now just search for Clash Royale QR codes, and now you will get all of these posters that you can find on the internet. So for example, I'll just open this website right here, and there should be some QR codes that you can use on Clash Royale. So let me just find these QR codes. I'll just go back. So for example, this is a QR code that I can scan on Clash Royale, or this one right here. So what you have to do once you have found a QR code, you just have to open up Clash Royale on your mobile phone, and you just have to go to settings and go to tools. There should be something known as tools or something like that, and then you just have to scan this QR code from the phone on your from your computer or laptop device or whatever you're using to open this QR code. And yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.